Trading on the Forex market could be really tricky, especially if you have selected the wrong broker. It's like you want to race, but instead of getting into a Ferrari or Porsche, you selected an old Moskvich. That is an old Russian brand that is hard as steel but not fast. And selecting a bad Forex broker could be even worse. Those Moskviches were so durable that people in Bulgaria were driving them for over 50 years, one car, without any issues. And trading with a scam broker, you will be lucky if you trade a month. So let's get into it. Hello traders, it is Petko Alexandrov. Welcome to Trading Academy and stay with me until the end to learn if FX Choice is a reliable Forex broker or not. Is it a Porsche or a Moskvich? In Trading Academy, we review brokers and platforms because we want to protect our students and subscribers from the bad guys that are ready to take your hard-earned money using a scammy methods, running non-regulated brokers and promising unrealistic results. So I decided to record this FX Choice review to give a better idea to our students and traders about the conditions of the broker. We will point out the pros and the cons, and it is a personal choice if one will choose it as a broker. So FX Choice is a broker for Forex and CFD trading that is based in Belize and operated by the company FX Choice LTD. It started in 2010 and since then has become fairly popular, executing about 15,000 transactions a day. It also allows traders to trade just under 40 different currency pairs and a variety of CFDs, including precious metals, energies, indexes, and commodities. There are two types of accounts that you can open with FX Choice. You can open a pro account or a classic account. There are actually not very many huge differences between the two. Both accounts require a minimum deposit of $100 and have a minimum trade size of 0.01. Both of which are fairly standard things across various Forex brokers. The important difference between the two is that the classic account is commission-free and therefore offers higher spreads. On the other hand, the pro account is based on commissions with tighter spreads due to ECN. The average spread for the classic account is 1.2 pips on euro-dollar. The average spread for the pro account is 0.5 pips on euro-dollar and $3.86 per lot. One of the things I liked about FX Choice is the leverage. I'm in Europe and here we are very limited with the leverage. Very limited. FX Choice has a maximum leverage level of 1 to 200. That is fairly average in Forex trading, but not for Europe. More expert traders may want the ability to have a higher leverage level, but 1 to 200, which is just fantastic for me. But of course, you need experience to trade with leverage. The second reason we have the broker on our Trusty Brokers page is because it offers algorithmic trading with EAs on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. As you know, this is what we do at EA Trading Academy, and FX Choice meets that expectation. So what are the cons? Because the broker has been operating for so long, it has built up a reputation with clients that newer brokers have not. However, FX Choice is still considered high risk by many people in the field because of the lack of outside regulation. FX Choice is not regulated by any Tier 1 or Tier 2 jurisdictions. It is a part of one Tier 3 jurisdiction, the local International Financial Services Commission. They do have a code of conduct, but there is not a lot of enforced compliance, checking, reporting, or supervision. Some Forex traders are fine with a company that has a good reputation, but others need the added insurance of a tier 1 or tier 2 regulatory jurisdictions to feel safe. If you are one of the latter, it is important to know that FX Choice does not have that, and therefore you may want to consider using a different platform. By the time I'm recording this video, we did not find any serious issues with FX Choice, a decent broker for algo trading. Most of our students are from the US, and I know they were using somehow FX Choice. Even it is outside the US, but now they do not accept US clients anymore. But make sure to check with their support, because by the time you are watching this video, they might accept again. I thank you for watching this video. Share your experience with FX Choice in the comments below, and do not forget to smash that like button as hard as you can. I'm joking, of course. No, I'm not. Take care, and I will see you soon. Cheers!